Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman, and today we're going to be working on a fireplace. And actually, this is a project from the past. Specifically, a fireplace repair project was on our very first issue of Family Handyman back in 1951. Now that was a repair project. This fireplace is in really good condition, so no repair needed, but we are going to give it a complete facelift. Now a typical fireplace update usually involves paint. We're gonna give you an alternative option. Instead of paint, we're gonna cover this fireplace with a large format tile, and it's gonna look much different and much more modern. Let's get into it. Now what we want is a flat fireplace from the ceiling to the floor. So we need to get rid of these corbels here, the mantle will go, and we're going to demo the hearth. Now, we're not entirely sure how this hearth was constructed, so we're gonna have to dig into it and come up with a plan as we go. The floor is protected, the fireplace is protected, we're ready to roll. So there it is, the fireplace is all wrapped up, and it really has transformed the look and the feel of this living space. We did run into a few things that were unexpected. Removing the hearth revealed packed sand, broken bricks, and even a vintage Dr. Pepper can. We removed all that stuff, filled in the space, and covered it with tile, and it really looks amazing. Now for more transformative projects like this, head to familyhandyman.com.